Today, I will teach you how to make a vinegar using aloe vera. First, prepare the aloe vera the same way when you prepare it for eating or for drinking. Soak the leaves for about 5 minutes. This is to get rid of the remaining latex. And then, scoop out the gel using a spoon and place it in water. Cut the gel into small pieces and do the final washing. Liquefy the gel using a blender and filter it to remove the pulps, because we don't want anything floating in our vinegar. Measure 900 ml aloe vera gel and 100 grams sugar. Mix and bring it to a boil, and then simmer for 20 minutes. Cool it down to a temperature warm enough for the yeast to work faster. Then add 1 gram of active yeast. Place the mixture in a container and cover it with a piece of cloth to allow the mixture to breathe. Here I am using a coffee filter. After 1 day, you will see bubbles. This means that the yeast is active and feeding on the sugar. And after 4 days, filter the liquid and place it in a clean container. Also, in this part, you have the option to add a vinegar starter to make the process faster. If you are using a plastic bottle with a cap, similar to what I am using, loosen the cap a little. At this time, the mixture still produces gas and it might explode if you close it tightly. You can see that the mixture is cloudy, but it will clear up after a few weeks. Wait for 4 to 6 weeks and the vinegar will be ready. This is the final product and you can see that it is clear.